Hi guys! So, maliligo kami dito sa Splash Park sa Bacolod. Nasa harap lang siya ng NGC, yung government office sa Bacolod. So, can you imagine, dito sa gitna ng city, ay merong ganitong attraction. Isn't that amazing? Teka, bakit ang silaw? Parang galing sa langit. Or parang kukunin na ng langit. Wait lang. So this is the entrance. This is the ticket booth. Magkano kaya ang ticket? Tingnan nga natin. Senior online group PWD. Entrance is regular 3 to 50. Oh, this is what you see when you enter. Shall we take pictures so that we will know where to go?
This is not important.
That's not important. Shall we take picture?
This one.
So, this is the view ng Splash Park. Let's take picture. Quick! Oh, may kainan dito. Bawal kasi magdala ng food. So, dyan pwede kumain. So, ito yung papuntang CR. Dressing room. Ito yung mga cottages niya. Ka 3 o'clock sila nagbubukas. Okay, this is one of their pools. Okay.